My name is Citra Sasmita. I'm a visual artist from Bali, Indonesia. My artwork is a Timur Merah project, means the East is red. And then special for this exhibition, the title is River with No End, means, like how I see knowledge. Knowledge is like a river, it's like a fountain that flowing and migrate and reach everyone. My research is about the first Muslim village in Bali. It is in West Bali. The community is very interesting because they are acculturate with the local culture, especially how making art and decoration of the ship. So basically, they put all the decoration and the color as also part of the spirituality. This kind of embroidery technique is almost disappear actually. I'm trying to revitalize this old technique and asking, like local community to making this together. The mostly of the pillars and architecture are dominated by the green color, red, green or blue, because they feel it will resonate with the god of fertility, god of rice field. So it's kind of form of prayer for them. Through the carving, through the color they choose, is actually read their habit, and then how I hang the pillar is like a zigzag and like reverse flow. So the theme of After Rain is really resonate and have a connection with the rivers with no end, because it talk about knowledge and migration of knowledge itself, because as a historical place, we have like, let's say, a relation with the historical trade, for example, like Muslim come to Bali as important port, etc. When I make this artwork, it's not only I made the aesthetic, but I also feel like there's also a process of my own spirituality, of my journey of Timur Merah. And then it's so interesting when I work with the woman embroidery community, because I learn from them, I learn their knowledge, and from that knowledge, I want to make something more universal, something that related to what inherit in other part of the world, including Saudi Arabia. I mean, maybe it will be trigger their own history, Saudi history about embroidery, for example, that we share something in common. So the artwork opened my perspective, especially how I work with the community. So become, their hope to continue the tradition and also the inheritance technique. When I meet the priestess who can do the embroidery, she teach the neighbor to do the embroidery. And then, I feel like, this kind of situation is very empowering for me. And I really hope it will be continued not only for the Diriyah Biennale, but will be for another artwork.